Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add a new product in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, go to hpanel.hostinger.com, log in to your Hostinger account, and then go to websites. Here you will see a list of the available websites on your Hostinger website builder, and next to the one you want to add your product on, click on it or click on Manage Store to go straight to the store management area instead of the website builder. As you see here, first let's give my website a visit. This is my website, and if I click on Store, as you see, those are the products I have right now. To add a new one, simply from this store management area, go to Products, and then click on Add Products. Here you can select, or you can add between, or you can select between adding a physical product, multiple physical ones, adding a digital product, a service product, appointment, donation, gift card, and print-on-demand product. So here, since I have a headphone product, I will go with physical product. Now, the first thing I will do is that I will upload my product photos or images. Here they are my product photos. 3 photos. Click on enter on your keyboard and they will automatically show up here. You can reorder those uploaded photos like that. And next, you can generate product details like title, subtitle, description based on your uploaded photos. But in my case, or let's give it a visit. Click on generate product details and wait a moment. And those are the suggested product details. Premium wired headphone for the subtitle crystal clear sound with stylish design. The ribbon is new. The description experience immersive audio quality with these premium wired headphones featuring comfortable ear cushions and a sleek metallic finish. This is a really good base to start with. And now let's check the ChatGPT product details. Product name, wireless over-ear Bluetooth headphones, comfortable noise isolating headset. I think this is not a Bluetooth headphone, but let's go with the ChatGPT ones. Short description here, full product description, what's included, ideal for. Okay, I will delete this, use this. What's included. Okay, now let's go to the pricing. I will go the base price of $50. Let's go with 50, and the discounted price is, let's 29. The SKU code is you can use it or not for your backend organization. For the weight, I will go with let's say this product is 1 kilo, for example. Here, if you see kilos and you want to use pound, just go to your settings. My bad. Click on settings, then I think store information or something like this, and you can switch your store measurement system. Here you can also go with track quantity. For example, I have 20 of these headphones. You can go even with track low stock. So when the stock is at 10 or below it, I will see I will get a notification on my I think my product list page. Okay, now let's create additional info section. This is a great place to add more information about your product or store policies. I think I will ask it, give me, or let's see if it is already pricing tip. Give me 4 store policies. shipping information. Click on add info section. Let's call it shipping information. And this is the text. Click on save. Let's add another info section for return and refund policy. Save. And the last one is for, let's go with secure payments. Save. And now I have three info sections. And here below options, here you can options. Yes, options. With options, you can manage what options this product comes in, like such as size, color, or weight. Unique variants will be created, which you can then control individually. Let's add the first option. For example, let's go with, for example, with color. I will go with white and then black. Click on save. Now, here you can give each variant, like this white variant, a specific photo. So just click on this little pen and you can select from your existing photos. So I will go back here, add new images for my variants. And those are my variants photos. Now that they are uploaded, I will link them to the correct. For the white, this is the white. For the black, this is the black. You can even select the product price depending on the variant. Same thing for the SKU, the weight, the quantity, and the low stock threshold. Now I will go below custom field. You can enable you can enable this custom field to let the customers personalize this product by adding a custom text on it. Since I am selling headphones, I don't think I need this customization feature. And below it you have categories. So here the AI suggests wireless headphones as a category. You can go with it. This new category is added, wireless headphone. Click on the product again to return to this product page. And just like that, the new category, I'm not sure why it was not, yes, when I click on it, it was created. Now I need to assign it. So click on assign to category and select the category you've just added. And here you can show or hide related products below this your product. You can show it like this. You can enable this feature like this or hide it like this. You can even give this related products section a title. For example, you may also like, and you can even select from which category you want to show related products. You can go with specific categories or all products. I will go with all products. Now click on save. And as you see, product updated, wireless over-ear, Bluetooth headphones. And this is the product. Till now, this product is available or it is saved on your website or online store, but it is not available online. How to do? What you need to do is you need to go to yes, click either on publish in editor or edit website. It's the same thing. To return to your website editor page and then click on update website to publish your new added product. Now that my website is updated, let's view it live. Go to the store area, and this is my new product. This is the title, the photo, this is the ribbon called new, the original price, discounted price, and add to bag. Let's open my new product, and this is how it looks like online. Those are the product photos. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about hosting a website builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with hosting a website builder, how to choose and customize your template, how to master page and navigation design, also design pages and add-in content, building specific page types, blogging with hosting a builder, create an online store, forms in general, emails and integrations, advanced features and design enhancement, SEO, analytics and tracking tools, backup and cloning maintenance, and also final touches and optimization. To get all of this today for free, plus my other free online courses, which are Google Sites, Google Search Console, Brevo email marketing, Bluehost web hosting, Hostinger web hosting, Hostinger WordPress, and also Hostinger email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. Now this is the product title, the subtitle, the original price, discounted price, the variant, black and white. As you see, when you select a variant, the photo automatically switches to the correct one. And this is the available stock. I can add multiple products, add to bag, shipping information. This or those are the additional info sections. This is the shipping information, return and refund, and also the last additional information or additional info section. And those are the product photos. By the way, you can place those small photos on the side or on the bottom on hosting website builder. Now below the photos, you get the product details. This is the text I've added. And below all of this, you have the related product section that I called you may also like. And those are the available or all the available products. And this is how to add a product on your online store in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.